Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is an all stainless steel recirculating chiller. It's the Icewagon by ICG. It's rated for 18,000 BTU at 50 degrees. It's operating on 463 phase voltage. Has an onboard tank, you see the fill up here. 1 inch in and out on each side for the coolant in and the coolant out. There's a small sight glass here so you know what's in your tank. They do recommend it being used with polypropylene glycol or some recirculating fluid. Right now you see the set point is at 50 degrees. Controls are good and clean. As we don't have a manual for the temperature controller, we're not sure how to reprogram it. It's operating on R22 refrigerant. We have lots of process equipment, chillers, packaging, processing in our stock. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.